Topic seasons. Today we will learn about different seasons of a year. How many seasons are there in a year? Do you know? There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Summer season. It is very hot in summer. Winter season. It is very cold in winter. Spring and autumn are less hot than summer. These 4 seasons repeat every year. Students, now we will do worksheet of seasons. First of all, you will write the name here, then date 4th, 12th and 2020. And the topic is seasons. How many seasons? There are 4 seasons. How many seasons? There are 4 seasons. Tell me seasons name. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Do you like winter season? I like winter season. Okay. This is summer season, winter season. This is autumn. This is spring season. How many seasons? There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Okay, students. Now color the pictures very beautifully. Thank you.